Alright guys, these are some of my swarm traps that I've built, and they should be going out in the trees here soon. I am not a carpenter, don't claim to be one. These should hold a good 6-7 frames. I'll put them in the tree, and hopefully they catch me some freebies. They hold a deep frame. So these are foundations that I purchased that have to be put in the frames. I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm gonna put a roof piece of metal on that, and I'm just gonna screw it to the box and put it in a tree. I do have beeswax to coat the insides, some lemongrass oil to attract the bees, and we'll show more when I put them up in a tree. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share. Y'all know what to do. See ya.